I'm hosting a free live webinar on what it takes to be a successful network engineer today. If you're studying networking or already working as a network engineer, you've probably asked yourself, what should I actually focus on to become successful in this field? With AI, automation, scripting, Python certifications, there's just so much out there. And most people don't actually know what really matters and what to focus on. You may ask yourself, how do I move forward? How do I build the right skill set for today and for the future? So I'm hosting a free 1-hour live webinar where I'll break this down clearly and simply. We'll talk about what skills actually matter today, how AI is really affecting network engineers, what automation means to you, and what you should focus on based on where you are in your journey. And it's interactive. You'll be able to ask questions, participate in polls, and discover what others in similar circumstances are struggling with as well. So whether you're just starting out, studying at a CCNA level, or you already have several years of networking experience, this will help you to gain clarity. It's happening on April 29th at 1800 hours UTC. That's 6 p.m. UTC. And for those who attend live, I'll also be sharing a special discount for my in-depth online courses. You can register using the link in the description below or the in-video link at the end of this video, and make sure to save your spot. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. This is Lazarus at telecomTech, where telecom and networking technologies are simply explained.